Welcome. If you've ever wanted to bring your friends together or build your own community in Roblox, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Roblox group right from your mobile device, with all the latest updates for 2025. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Roblox app. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the three dots. This will open up the More menu. From here, scroll down until you see the section called Communities. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you're in the Communities section, and this is where the magic happens. At the top right, you'll see an option that says Create Communities. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to the group creation page. Here, you'll need to fill out a few details to make your group stand out. Start by choosing a unique and catchy group name. Next, write a description that tells everyone what your group is all about. Are you a team of game developers, a fan club, or just a group of friends? Let people know. Don't forget to pick an awesome group icon. This will be the face of your community, so make it memorable. Once you've filled out all the details, it's time to make your group official. Creating a group on Roblox costs 100 Robux, so make sure you have enough in your account. When you're ready, tap the button to confirm your purchase. Roblox will process your payment, and just like that, your group will be live. Now you can invite friends, set up group roles, and start building your Roblox community. Whether you're hosting game nights, sharing creations, or just hanging out, having your own group is a great way to connect with others who share your interests. That's it. You've just learned how to create a Roblox group on mobile, step by step. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in your new group.